So this morning I was going through my emails and I received yet again another sales email, but you could tell it was a mass email attempt.
I think your emails are going to my spam.
I hate those. Well, today I'm going to talk about yet another AI content creation tool, Smartwriter AI. This one is trained to do outreach by writing personalized emails. And you can try it out by clicking the link below in the video description. It claims that it will provide its customers with 8 times more replies than usual, but I guess that depends on the content of the email and the mood of the recipient. How does it work? It searches for emails of people in your niche, generates personalized emails, and sends them in just one click. From my personal experience, please read those emails carefully as you can improve them by adding your own human touch. You go to the catchy intro lines option and you type in the email subject, audience, and topic. You can also choose different languages. Now click generate copy and you'll get pretty solid intro lines, which you can use. Connect Smartwriter to your email and let it send messages instead of you. I like having a personal assistant. Smartwriter collects podcasts, articles, interviews, LinkedIn profiles, and posts, and uses all of these to create a perfect email for your marketing campaign. What I personally like is the part where it actually studies someone's LinkedIn profile and creates a message for them based on that info. I mean, I could never have the patience to read someone's post. It also has an AI content writer, which creates landing pages, ebooks, and product descriptions. It's not the best one out there, but it's solid. When it comes to price, it's a bit costly, starting at $49 per month. But with our link below, you get to try it out for free. Pros: good for write cold emails. Has a solid email finder. Good for LinkedIn outreach. Easy to use. Cons: not the best long form content writer. Support isn't great. Pricey.
It's a bit pricey for us, but gorgeous.
My overall score is 4 out of 5. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click our link below and access Smartwriter completely free.